Hey guys, let's have some real talk. If your mornings don't feel the same as they used to, and I think you know exactly what I mean, this message is for you. You're probably already drinking coffee every morning, right? But here's the twist. What if that same cup of coffee could actually support your energy, circulation, focus, and yes, even those mornings that used to feel more reliable? The truth is the best solutions don't always come in a bottle of pills. Sometimes they're already sitting in your kitchen cabinet. Today, I am going to show you how to turn your regular coffee into a powerful upgrade with natural ingredients. These aren't gimmicks. They're backed by research, by tradition, and by real results. Coffee on its own is good. It wakes you up, sharpens your brain, and gets you moving. But here's the problem. Plain coffee gives you a short spike, followed by a crash. By mid-morning, you're reaching for another cup just to stay awake. And as we age, that cycle hits harder. Testosterone lowers, blood vessels lose flexibility, and your nitric oxide levels key for circulation drop by almost half. That's why plain coffee feels like regular gas in a sports car. You'll still run, but nowhere near your full potential. The solution: adding a few natural science-backed ingredients that transform your morning coffee into premium fuel for your body. Let's go step by step. First up's not the regular kind you find in most grocery stores, but Ceylon cinnamon, also known as true cinnamon. Why does this matter? Because the cheaper type Cassia cinnamon contains high levels of coumarin, which can stress your liver if you use it often. Ceylon cinnamon is safer and gives you the real benefits, and the benefits are huge. Studies show cinnamon can lower fasting blood sugar by nearly 30%. Stable blood sugar protects your smallest blood vessels, the ones most vulnerable to damage, and the ones you depend on as a man. Cinnamon also improves nitric oxide production, which relaxes blood vessels, making circulation smoother. And let's not forget, it makes your coffee taste incredible. Cinnamon coffee isn't new, it's been enjoyed for centuries in Mexican and Middle Eastern traditions. Next, real cocoa powder. I'm not talking about hot chocolate mix loaded with sugar. I mean dark, unsweetened cocoa powder. Just 1 teaspoon stirred into your cup can do wonders. Cocoa is rich in flavonoids that increase nitric oxide, the same molecule that signals your blood vessels to relax. Without it, circulation slows, and energy and performance suffer. Research has proven it. Cocoa can increase artery flexibility by up to 30%. That means stronger circulation, more energy, and yes, better performance. But cocoa doesn't stop there. It also lifts your mood. It contains natural compounds like enanamide, known as the bliss molecule, and phenylethylamine, which helps with focus and positivity. And since half of performance is mental, not just physical, that matters. On top of that, cocoa gives you magnesium, a mineral. Many men are low in that supports testosterone, muscle strength, and steady energy. In short, cocoa coffee is like a healthy mocha that fuels both body and mind. Ingredient number 3, maca root. For centuries in the Andes Mountains, maca has been used as a natural energizer and hormone supporter. Unlike drugs that force a temporary effect, maca works by helping your body produce its own hormones naturally. It supports the hypothalamus and pituitary glands, command centers for testosterone and energy. Studies show that after just 12 weeks of consistent use, men notice improvements in drive, mood, and stamina. Another study even linked maca to better sperm health. The best part, it doesn't give you a fake rush. Instead, it builds your energy and confidence steadily over time. Flavor-wise, maca has a nutty, butterscotch-like taste. Yellow maca is the mildest. Black maca is linked to stamina, and red maca is often used for prostate support. Start small, just 1 teaspoon is enough. Let's talk about healthy fats. A teaspoon of coconut oil blended into your coffee turns it creamy, almost like a latte. But the real power is what it does inside your body. Testosterone is built from cholesterol and fats. If your diet is too low in healthy fats, your hormones can suffer. Coconut oil gives your body medium-chain triglycerides, CTS, convert into instant energy. That means sharper focus, more stable energy, and better performance at the gym. Plus, the fat slows caffeine absorption. So instead of a spike and crash, you get a smooth, steady lift. Important tip, you need to blend it, not Hoost steer. Otherwise, you'll get an oil slick floating on top. Blend it until frothy, and you'll have a delicious, creamy drink. If coconut oil feels heavy, try pure MCT. Oil it's lighter, easier to digest, and even more effective. Last but definitely not least, ginger. Fresh or powdered, ginger is like rocket fuel for blood flow. It contains compounds called gingerols and shoggles that relax blood vessels, fight inflammation, and even protect the cells that produce testosterone. Think about it, your body is constantly putting stress on those hormone-producing cells through things like heat, tight clothing, and toxins. Ginger helps shield them so they keep working at full power. Studies have shown that daily ginger can raise testosterone levels by up to 17% in just a few months. On top of that, it improves sperm quality and boosts energy. Add a thin slice of fresh ginger or a quarter teaspoon of powder to your coffee, and you'll feel the warming kick almost instantly. Now, here's the key, you Dante. Want to throw all 5 ingredients into your cup on day 1. That's a recipe for an upset stomach. Instead, build gradually. For week 1, start with cinnamon. Week 2, add coconut. Week 3, mix in maca. And week 4, try coconut oil or ginger. Keep a small journal of your energy, mood, and focus. Most men notice clear changes within 3 to 4 weeks. For a quick daily hike, mix cocoa and cinnamon together in a jar. 1 scoop in your coffee, and you're done. On weekends, blend the full power coffee with coconut oil, cocoa, cinnamon, and ginger. The difference is real. Gentlemen, getting older doesn't mean you have to settle for less energy, less drive, or weaker mornings. With small, natural upgrades like these, you can support your body, boost your confidence, and perform at your best without expensive supplements or risky shortcuts. These ingredients are affordable, easy to find, and backed by both science and tradition. Coffee is something you already drink daily, so why not turn it into fuel for strength, energy, and vitality? My challenge to you, tomorrow morning, try one of these upgrades. Stick with it for a week, then add another, and share your results. You might be surprised how quickly your mornings and your whole day feel stronger. If this video gave you something useful, hit that subscribe button for more practical tips on men's health and natural energy. And if you know a friend who could use this boost, share this video with him. Sometimes, the smallest changes, like what you add to your morning coffee, can lead to the biggest transformations. Stay consistent, stay strong, and remember, your best years aren't behind you. With the right fuel, they're just getting started. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.